How to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. Before we start on, make sure that both of your application is updated. Now to begin with, open up your Facebook application and log into your account. As you're logged in, this is how the interface is going to look like. So here, what you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and click on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Then simply want to go to your profile or your information, and here as well you want to click on edit profile. While you're on this section, you want to scroll down to the bottom and you could find the section is links. So in my case, I haven't added it up, but then you want to simply click on link, and there you could find the social links or social media account that is linked to your Facebook. Then you want to click that, and you want to simply select WhatsApp from there. In order to remove it, give a reason or follow the on-screen prompt. With that being said, you'll have successfully unlinked WhatsApp from Facebook. So that is the simplest way you could unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.